We see a merger of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and neurotechnology and neuroscience. And the two are approaching very fast, and it's the subject of a lot of investments and new startups and new businesses. And they are very eager to get to our neuro and brain data. And that is something that we need to get to grips with, because the merger of AI and neurotechnology will give rise to a lot of new questions. We are not sure whether everything is covered, for example, by the privacy and data protection legislation, or by the medical liability devices acts, or the traditional medical ethics approaches that we see with respect to avoiding harming, doing good. So we need to rapidly move in there. And I'm very happy to see that the public policymakers all around the world, but especially in Europe, are rising to the occasion and addressing these issues in their policy documents and white papers, and what you have. So I'm looking forward, and I have great hopes that this will develop in a positive way, so that we can innovate in this space responsibly. That's my main concern.